You guys want to go through the haunted house? Okay, ring the doorbell.
Come inside.
That scared me.
That scared you?
It's spooky.
Okay. It's okay, Lily. Tatum will protect you.
I will. Okay, Mom.
Okay, walk around. Wait, this way. Same way. Are you going that way or this way?
Right.
Okay, go that way then.
Hey, show me the rat cup. What is that, Tayden?
It's a book.
Can you make it work?
It's a mouse rat.
Wait for me.
This way. Look.
Ew, spider webs.
Leave it. Don't touch Lily. Go.
Ew.
You want to scrape over the bear? That's a sleeping bear. Don't wake him up. You can either jump over him or step on him. Nice.
Can you jump over him, Lily? Oh, you stepped on him. What is it? Creepy. Yay, Thomas! Super Thomas! And the bad guy, the villainous daddy.
Miranda and Flying Thomas are gonna fly through the haunted house. Fly through the haunted house, hon. Fly as fast as you can.
Let's go. Fly, Thomas, fly! Backwards flying!
He's amazing. Fly over the cobwebs or under them.
Oh, you're such a good flyer. Yeah, fly, Thomas.
Fly over the grizzly bear.
Down low. You like that, Mama?
Lily.
Fly, stick your legs out.
Fly the other way around the haunted house.
Stick your legs out.
Fly, fly.
Okay, droop. Droop, droop. Say, Daddy, look, I'm flying.
Flying Lily.